Here's how to make a banging lamb tikka, like the one you get from your local takeaway. You can also use it in your British Indian restaurant inspired curry.
Make sure to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
I start by cutting up a rump of lamb, which is perfect for this recipe. Let's start to build flavour by marinating the lamb in all of the ingredients shown in the recipe list. Don't worry, you can find this down in the caption, and if you're looking to take your British Indian restaurant inspired cooking to the next level, then you can find a link to the video recipe for my garam masala there too. Once you've added all of the ingredients into the bowl along with the lamb, give it a good massage and then leave to marinate in the fridge. Overnight is best, but if you can give it a couple of hours, that will be perfect. Thread onto skewers, then you can either cook the tikka on a rack in your air fryer, or for best results, cook it over charcoal on the barbecue to replicate the caramelization restaurants get from using a tandoor oven. Cook suspended for 8 to 10 minutes over the flame. Turn in occasionally, use a meat thermometer to check, and you are looking for an internal temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. The lamb should be pink and juicy inside. Now, this is a perfect recipe on its own, but you can also use it to level up your curry game too, like in my lamb rogan josh recipe coming soon.